how to become a doctor. Recently, I've been asked on what it takes to become a physician or a doctor, so I have come up with 3 recommendations on how to become a physician. If you're more focused on the technical aspect, there's things you need to know. First, you need to have a good undergraduate degree. So the undergraduate degree could be biology, it could be pharmacy, all the other sciences or all the other health sciences, which will give you a lot of advantage when you're going into your first year and your second year medicine. But you have to understand as well that that it takes a lot of years to study medicine. So you have to have 4 years of undergraduate, and then you have 5 years of medical proper, which includes your clerkship and your internship. And lastly, if you want to go further into residency, then you need another 3 or 4 more years in residency. So these are my top 3 tips for this one. Number 1, get some research experience. Now, that research may not end world hunger or cure AIDS, but it will give you a whole new perspective on the medical field. Moreover, it will give you a whole new advantage in terms of applying for medical schools. Number 2, study, study, study. Make sure that your math and sciences subjects are good. And if you have the opportunity to actually ace your arts and humanities, then go for it. Number 3, connect with your mentors. Talk and learn from your professors. Chances are, some of them have considered medical school and they might give you tips on how to study better. Thank you once again, and if you love this video, please make sure to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about emerging healthcare technology, don't forget to subscribe to my... Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye!